In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on your Shopify admin. This is a straightforward process that can make managing your online store more comfortable, especially if you prefer to work in a language other than English. Whether you're a new Shopify user or you've been managing your store for a while but need to switch languages, this guide will walk you through each step of the way. Let's start with navigating to the Shopify website. It's important to log out if you're already signed in to ensure you can follow along from the beginning. Once you're at the Shopify homepage, you'll find the login option. Clicking on this will direct you to the login page, a pivotal step to accessing your Shopify admin. On the login page, you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure you input the email associated with your Shopify store to avoid any access issues. After you've entered your email, go ahead and click on Login once again. This action prompts Shopify to find your store and requires you to confirm the specific store you want to access if you manage multiple stores. Following the login, you'll be directed to your store's home on Shopify's admin panel, often referred to as My Store or Home. Here you'll see various options to manage your online store, but our focus will be on changing the language setting. To do this, look for the My Store option, which is typically found on the Shopify admin sidebar, or through a drop-down menu at the top of the page. After clicking on My Store, your next step is to select Manage Account. This option allows you to modify various account settings, including the language of your Shopify admin. Managing your account settings is crucial for personalizing your Shopify experience and ensuring that the platform works best for you and your business needs. Once you're in the account settings, look for the Preferred Language option. Clicking on this will bring up a list of available languages that Shopify supports. Shopify offers a wide range of languages, so you can select the one you're most comfortable using for your store's management. It's a simple click to change, but the impact it can have on your daily operations can be significant, especially if English is not your first language, or you're managing a store in a non-English speaking country. After selecting your preferred language, your Shopify admin will automatically update to reflect your choice. It's important to note that this change will only affect your admin interface and won't change the language settings of your storefront. If you wish to change the language of your storefront, that's a different process which involves editing your store's theme settings or using a language translation app from the Shopify App Store. Changing the language of your Shopify admin is a quick way to make managing your online store a more comfortable and efficient experience. Whether you're working in your native language or prefer to use a different language for your business operations, Shopify's flexibility ensures that you have the tools you need to succeed. Remember, managing an online store involves various aspects, from inventory management to customer service. Having your admin panel in a language you fully understand can help reduce errors, improve your workflow, and ultimately contribute to a better overall experience for your customers. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language of your Shopify admin. Remember, you can always switch back or change to another language following the same steps whenever you need. Shopify's dedication to providing a user-friendly platform makes it straightforward to customize your admin experience to match your personal or business needs. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Whether you're just starting out with Shopify or looking to customize your experience further, changing your admin language is just one of the many ways Shopify allows you to tailor the platform to fit your unique business requirements. Keep exploring and you'll discover even more ways to optimize your online store for success. Thank you for joining me today.